Hello and welcome to my video where I'll be explaining how to draw a parametric icosahedron or D20 in Fusion 360. First, we'll open a new file and go to Modify and change parameters. Then we'll add a parameter, and this one will be the golden ratio. And the golden ratio is the 1 plus the root of 5 divided by 2. So to enter that, we need no units. To enter that in Fusion 360, first open two brackets. Then to make the root, we go SQRT, open a bracket, 5, close the bracket, plus 1, close a bracket, slash 2 and close a bracket. Then second we'll use a parameter for the long side, and this is just the measurement from one side to the other. So we'll use 21 millimeters, and then finally our last parameter is the short side, and this will be the long side divided by the golden ratio. We click OK. Then we'll start a new sketch, and we'll on the front plane, and we take a center rectangle, and we'll make this the long side and short side. Then we'll finish the sketch, a new sketch on the right plane, and again a center rectangle, and this is the short side and the long side. Finish sketch, and then we'll use on the leftover plane, and again a center rectangle, short side and the long side. So finish sketch, and we'll have this. And if we go to the Wikipedia of the icosahedron, we'll have here an image that will show you what we are making. You see the three planes and all the lines that are connecting it to make the D20. So that is what we'll be doing. We'll start a new sketch, and it doesn't matter on what plane we're sketching. It is important that you have 3D sketch selected here. So we'll make a line, and we're just gonna connect all the edges together. Yes, I am this fast, and for people wondering, I rotate the model holding the shift key and pressing the scroll wheel and move my mouse. Also, for extra speed, I use a shortcut L for line. So if you want to make sure you have all the lines, you can unshow the sketches, and you'll see you have a better idea of what lines you don't have yet. So it looks like we have all the lines. So we'll finish the sketch. So when we have all the lines, we'll go to Surface, to Patch, and we'll have to select all the profiles. and then we'll click OK. Then we'll have this. Then we'll select Stitch and just select all and make sure that all the ribs are, or all the edges are green. If there are any red edges, you can just click on them. Then we'll click OK, and we'll have a solid D20. Now if we want to adjust the size of it, we only have to go to change parameters, and we'll make it 100 millimeters. So, and that's it. Now we have changed the measurement from this line to this line. See, it's 100. But what if you want to change the length of the ribs? What we have to do, we'll go to change parameters, and we'll change the short side to whatever we want. So for instance, we wanted 60 millimeters ribs. Then we'll change the long side to short side times the golden ratio, and enter. And now we'll have a edge of 60, and we can change that. So if we want an edge of 100 millimeters, so, and that's it. That's how you draw a parametric D20 or icosahedron. I hope this video helped, and good luck with drawing.